So let's be quietly working on the new now. What are you looking for?
Pen. Wasn't assigned.
Small intestine. Just moving your balance a little bit. I have one going like that. Yeah, you can give a more specific example than that. But yes. Okay, guys. So, where have we seen the nervous system and body systems that we've covered so far? Yeah, where in the skin specifically did we see nerves?
I think in the dermis.
Exactly. What do those nerves help us sense? What kind of things can we sense with the nerves in our dermis? Happy? Touch, essentially, yeah, and the cold, and temperature. Good. What else? What else? Mario? Pain. What else?
Satisfaction.
Pleasure. What else? Think about other maybe components of the weather around you.
Moisture.
Temperature, moisture, wind. Good. All right. Where else have we seen the nervous system so far? Yeah. Remember we saw nerves running through the Phrygian canals? Where else? So, our vertebral column is protecting a major source of nerves. What is it protecting? What is our vertebral column protecting? Yeah, the spinal cord. Good. So how does our nervous system interact with some of these systems that we've been talking about? How do they interact?
So the nervous system controls everything.
Okay, it's helping to coordinate different systems moving together. Someone give a more maybe specific example. Maria?
Nerves sensitive to muscle, for example, that way we produce movement.
Yeah, the nervous system is sending impulses to the muscles to produce movement. Remember we talked about skeletal muscles and their control by the central nervous system. So by the way, what two major structures make up the central nervous system? What two major structures make up the central nervous system? Zdravka?
The brain.
Yeah.
And the spinal cord.
Good. Yeah. Next week we're going to be talking about different parts of the brain. We've already talked about one specifically. We talked about the part of the brain that controls involuntary processes like breathing and heart rate. What part is that? Mario?
Cerebellum.
No.
It's not the cerebellum. We talked about that in psychology probably with regulating balance and your movement space. No. Medulla, very close. Medulla
Okay, next.
oblongata. Oh my god. Medulla oblongata. Kind of a mouthful. You can call them the medulla for short.
So what does oblongata mean?
I don't know the roots of the word. Okay. So what you're seeing on the board is a cell. But it's a special type of cell called a neuron. Neurons are the main cells of the nervous system. They're not the only cells, but they're the main cells because they are the ones that are actually sending the signals. So neurons are the main cells of the nervous system. The neurons are the main cells of the nervous system. So we've got some kind of familiar structures here. We have a cell body, and then the nucleus inside. But then we have all of these different branches sticking out. A bunch of them are shorter. These are all called dendrites. So we have multiple dendrites, and all of them are going to be receiving signals. So they're going to be receiving signals and bringing those signals in towards the body of our neuron. So dendrites are branch-like extensions that receive signals. Branch-like extensions that receive signals and send them towards the cell body. Do I have a question?
So are these electrical?
Well, so we're going to see electrical impulses being sent within the neuron, but chemical impulses being sent between different neurons. We're going to talk in detail about both of those. So we've got our shorter dendrites, and then we have this one long extension called an axon. So an axon is a single